I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. Today is going to be an extra special one, and we have with us today our two student interns who will introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Sonia.
Hi, I'm Carlina. So what are we making today?
We are making rocking pigs.
And why are we making a pig craft today?
I'm glad you asked, Peggy. Well, March 1st is Pig Day that is celebrated. And so in honor of that, we're going to do a pig craft. And in honor of Pig Day, I'm going to tell you a couple of things. First of all, I just had a medical procedure done on my nose, and I was so fortunate that they actually make pig Band-Aids, if you can see. So I'm wearing those. And for this Pig Day, like in some in the past, we are extra specially honoring a pig that's special to me named Otis. So Otis is a pig that my daughter worked with when she was in college a few years ago when she was studying animals. And when the program was over, we had the option to adopt Otis, which we did. And then we found a place for him to live called Broome Animal Sanctuary, which is a farm sanctuary. And so he lives his very best life there. Here he is with one of the.
He looks so happy.
He's so happy, and that's him with one of his dads, giving a little kiss. And Otis, when we first got him, when Ray was working with him, was, just a baby, and he weighed maybe a couple 100 pounds. And now Otis weighs 800 pounds. So
800?
Wow.
800. Yes, and we go visit him as much as we can. And a few years ago when we were visiting, I had special cupcakes for him, and he very accidentally stepped on my foot, and he does weigh a lot. So anyway, we are honoring Otis and pigs everywhere today.
All right.
Aw.
So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques. And today we're going to do a pig breath. So this is going to be a little silly, but we're still going to go with it and have fun. So we're going to use our snouts, and we're going to take 3 short inhale breaths like this. And then when we exhale, we're going to say oink, and we're going to stretch it out like this. Oink.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to go oink, and then we'll laugh. Okay. All right. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Inhale. Oink. One more time. Oink.
Oink.
It's a little hard to exhale with the oink, but
No.
it was
Thank
fun.
you.
Yeah, that was great.
All right.
So what supplies do we need for this craft?
Paper plates, markers, pink paint, paintbrush, scissors, construction paper, and tape or glue.
Okay. What is the first step?
All right. So the first step is to take a paper plate and paint it pink. And we have ours pre-painted. And then you're going to fold it in half. And I only had small paper plates. So mine is a piglet, which is a baby pig. And the piglet weighs just about 2 pounds. So
Wow.
Imagine a tiny pig then grows to be like Otis.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now the next step, and then when I did the oink, my pig head flew on the floor. So hold on. Here it is. So the next step is we're going to make the face. So here's what it's going to look like. Something like this. It doesn't have to be exact. So I cut out a circle like this. And then I cut out a snout like this. And on the snout, I put the 2 little nose holes. And I cut out 2 ears, which are triangles. And so all you do for this part is tape everything onto your face. So I'm using double-sided tape. So my ears are gonna go in the back.
And so I didn't have a lot of different color pink construction paper, so I cut out my face and then I just used marker to color the snout
Great,
and the cheeks.
great. So here's mine, and then I'm gonna put some eyes on and a little mouth, just with marker. So here's how mine looks. And then when you've done that, thanks. Then with either your tape or glue, you're just gonna attach it to your body. Like this.
So while we finish our faces, I'm going to tell you an interesting fact about pigs. So they have a very good sense of direction and they can find their way home even if they're far away. So I think I would like to have a pig in the car with me.
No, that would be a good navigation. I wanted to show you another, there's a whole calendar of Otis. I wanted to show you another picture of him. Here he is, he loves mud, pigs love mud. And here he's so muddy on his face. So I love that. Okay, so once the faces are done, what's the next step gonna be?
So the next step is to make the pigs' hooves, which are their feet. So what you're going to do is cut two rectangular pieces of paper, and then at the bottom you're going to cut out a V, like a V shape, and then color in black for the hooves.
Okay.
And then what you do is you can then glue or tape them on. And the thing when you glue the hooves on is you want them pretty far apart and kind of near the edges so that it will rock.
Right. Okay. And while we're doing that, I'm going to tell you a pig joke.
Ah,
Yes. So how do pigs write secret messages?
how do pigs write secret messages?
I'm going to tell you.
Okay,
Invisible oink.
invisible ink.
Oh, that's cute.
Thank you.
Love it.
So I decided to do my pig facing like he's running almost. And so I put my pig's head off to the side. And because it's a side profile, I'm going to add a little tail to him.
Great.
As you can see in my example, I curled a little tail. And so the best way to do this is just make a thin rectangle or cut a thin rectangle of pink cardboard or construction paper. And then I just cut off like an angle for one side. And then I'm gonna wrap it around a pencil to make it all curly like a pig's tail. And you can keep rolling it just to make it a little bit tighter if you want. And then you can glue it. You can
I'm gonna
glue
do
it
the
on
same
the back.
thing, Sonia. I like the little squirrely.
I do too. Oh, that's
Yeah,
so
it's really cute.
So you
Oh, I
can
love
glue
that.
it or tape it. That's awesome.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Oh, Carlina, yours looks great.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, and they're so cute at rocking. And I'm going to add one more special thing on mine, which is in honor of how Otis loves mud.
Yeah.
I'm taking some brown paint and a sponge, and I'm making this pig all muddy, like pigs like to get. So there's mine.
Do you know why they like to roll in the mud?
I don't know, Peggy, why?
So I learned a lot about pigs. They do it to cool off.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah,
that makes sense.
yeah. And I have another joke, if I can add to your joke.
Yes.
Yeah. What do pigs like to do on nice days?
I don't know.
what?
Go on picnics.
Oh,
Aw.
so cute. Well, thank you all for joining us and our rocking pigs. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy Pig Day and happy crafting.
That's right. Pigs are awesome.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.